Hey guys, what's up? It's Rachel. Welcome to this video. If you're new here and you haven't seen me before or watched many of my videos, my name is Rachel. I make college and lifestyle videos, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe, and if you don't want to subscribe, I kind of get it. My friend is going to be doing my voiceover for my everyday makeup tutorial. I do this every year. A lot doesn't change, but I like to keep updated with it. So that's what this is, and it'll be my friend Andree. So let's just get into this video, shall we?
Okay, hi guys, it's time to roast Rachel, which is literally my favorite thing to do. Okay, so I think the first thing she's doing is grabbing primer. I think that's primer. Could be totally wrong. Applying that all over with her hands. Seriously hope she washed her hands. COVID's a thing, guys. Wash your hands. Wear a mask. Okay, now she's grabbing her moisturizer for her crusty face. I'm just kidding, Rachel, I love you. And she's applying that all over her face with her hands again. Just spreading it out on her cheeks, all over her forehead, taking her time. Okay, now she's grabbing her foundation, and she's grabbing it in the color Sand, applying it on her nose, underneath her eyes, covering up her dark circles. That's okay because they're designer. Now she's patting it in with her beauty blender. Pat, 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 pat. Grabbing the Laura Mercier, I think that's a translucent powder, and applying it underneath her eyes. Keep her face from getting super oily. Weird face, weird dance. Now she's grabbing her eyelash curler and curling her eyelashes. Now she's grabbing her mascara that literally looks like a cucumber. So grabbing your cucumber mascara, just apply it onto your upper eyelashes. Making a face because she thinks she's cute. She's not cute. Now she's grabbing, I don't know what palette that is. I don't even know what that is. What is that? I don't even think she knows what that is. A1 YouTuber over here, guys. Oh, it's bronzer. Okay. She's applying bronzer underneath her cheekbones. Making a cute little duck face. Now she's applying to the side of her nose to define her nose. Rubbing it in. She keeps rubbing it in. Weird face. She's feeling her brush. She keeps rubbing it in. I think she really likes bronzer. Literally all over her face now. And she keeps rubbing it in. She keeps going. Okay. Okay, now she's done, and I think she's grabbing her blush now by MAC. That's the color. Weird face. And applying it all over her cheeks. Give herself a cute little glow because she's not cute. On her nose, on the sides of her nose. Okay. Now she's still grabbing her brush and feeling it again. I don't know why she keeps feeling her brush, you guys. And she's grabbing her highlighter, applying it to the tops of her cheekbones, across her nose, down her nose bridge. Just applying it all over her place. Rubbing it in. She uses a lot of highlighter. Okay. Onto the tops of her cheekbones again. Weird dance because she thinks she's cute for the third time in this video. Now she's spraying her face, grabbing her lip gloss, and applying that onto her lips. Weird cute duck face, smiling, and she's done. That's the makeup video. Eye roll. Okay. That was decent. That was cute.
Hey guys, what's up? I am editing this video. It's much later from when I recorded it, but I just want to say a quick thank you to Andree for being in this video and doing my voiceover. Thank you for not roasting me too much. I had a lot of fun editing it, and it was so funny, and thank you so much for being in it. And also thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any videos that you want to see me do, please comment them down below or message me on my social media. You can follow me on all my social medias. The links will be down in the description, as well as you can follow Andree. The link to her Insta will be down in the description as well. Also, I just want to advocate for BLM again, so I will keep putting all of the links and resources that I know of down in the description as well. So go please educate yourself, learn more. The fight is still not over, and everyone is back to their normal lives, but I want to still advocate for that, as well as still advocate for COVID. Like Andree mentioned in the video, COVID is still a thing. Please wear your mask. Please stay safe. People are still dying and becoming positive and struggling, so please, please, please protect yourself and protect others around you. I'm going back to school in the fall. If you guys do want to go back to school, please wear a mask. We need everyone to cooperate and wear their masks and abide by their state's rules. So please be careful and stay home when you can. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. You guys can subscribe if you want to, and only if you want to. If you don't, I kind of get it. But if you do subscribe, click that bell down below for post notifications for whenever I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Don't let this be our final song.